Message markers. In shore to ship and ship to shore communication or radio communication in general, the following 8 message markers may be used also. Application of message markers. Given in part, A1/6 Vessel Traffic Service BTS Standard Phrases. 1. Instruction. 2. Advice. 3. Warning. 4. Information. 5. Question. 6. Answer. 7. Request. 8. Intention. Responses. 4.1. When the answer to a question is in the affirmative, say yes, followed by the appropriate phrases in full. 4.2. When the answer to a question is in the negative, say no, followed by the appropriate phrases in full. 4.3. When the information requested is not immediately available, say standby, followed by the time interval within which the information will be available. 4.4. When the information requested cannot be obtained, say no information. 4.5. When an instruction, BTS station, naval vessel, or other fully authorized personnel, or an advice is given, respond if in the affirmative. I will can, followed by the instruction or advice in full. And if in the negative, respond I will not or cannot, followed by the instruction or advice in full. Example. Advice. Do not overtake the vessel marked of you. Respond. I will not overtake the vessel north of me. 4.6 Responses. Responses to others and answers to questions of special importance both in external and on board communication are given in working on the phrases concerned. 5. Distress, urgency and safety signals. 5.1 Mayday, to be used to announce a distress message. 5.2 Panpan, to be used to announce an urgency message. 5.3 Security, to be used to announce a safety message.